This training was created in response to the coronavirus. We are introducing new technology to allow our dietitians to counsel members remotely.
Welcome to the Nextivia app for iPhone and iPad.
This asset was created using the Reflector app to record the mobile device and then dropped into Final Cut to add in the voice narration and the background music. In the interest of brevity, I'm going to cut this video short. Needless to say, it goes on through the entire process. In this series of slides, the graphic assets were created by taking screenshots and screen videos from the mobile device and editing the video content into GIF images.
In this GIF slideshow, we're going to go over the Nextivia app dial settings.
This slide was altered after receiving feedback from human resources. The managers we tested the content with felt that a narration would be more useful here. Rather than create an entirely new video, I simply added a voice narration over top of the GIF image that was used in the slide originally. By doing so, I was able to push the trading out almost immediately with the updated slide. Once again, in the interest of brevity, I'm going to cut this slide short, not play the whole thing, as I think you will get the picture. This slide includes video and written instructions how to download the handouts.